It happens all the time in mixed racial company, in person and online. A grown folks conversation gets started on some issue and race enters the discussion. And as sure as the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, a predominantly white someone will deploy that tired Webster's dictionary definition of racism. Well, the dictionary says racism is prejudice, discrimination, or antagonism directed against someone of a different race based on the belief that one's own race is superior. That definition is used ad nauseum because it is more psychically soothing to white people than the Sociology 101 definition of racism. Racism is bigotry and prejudice plus systemic power and majority population numbers used by the majority group to retard, roll back, or eviscerate the human rights and societal progress of a minority group. Boom. And what ethnic group role models that definition? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. This Sociology 101 definition of racism actually fits the 21st century context of how things work in society today, which is why if you deploy the other one in a racism conversation, I and other woke black folks will look at you and collectively roll our eyes at your not woke behind. The dictionary is a reference guide for words, not an encyclopedia. That definition was written by the same white people who created racism in the 17th century. And if you've been paying attention, the definition of words don't stay static, but they evolve over time. The word gay is a prime example of what I'm talking about. It not only means happy and carefree, but is now evolved as a term embraced by the same gender-loving community. Context matters when we're talking about social issues, and that written by white people dictionary definition of racism that loosely translates to people are being mean to me just doesn't cut it in 2018 America anymore, with a white supremacist in the White House, Nazis having parades in our streets, and police gunning down unarmed black people with little or no punishment for it. So now, player, don't even try to drop that dictionary definition of racism in a grown folks conversation about race. The people who have and continue to be negatively affected by racism and white supremacy are the ones best positioned to define what it is, not people who benefit from it and who are trying to sanitize or stifle discussion about the ramifications of racism and white supremacy's harmful effects on non-white people. So if we wish to have an honest discussion about eradicating racism in this country, we need to get with the times and just say no to its outdated dictionary definition.